Hey there, sexy people. Hope you're doing great. Today is the first day of a green market. And when I have a green market, I like to buy stuff. And that basically says that a lot of the sellers are out of the market, or at least the probabilities are that. And now we're buying. So I'm going to be buying a stock. I'm going to show you from soup to nuts how I look at it and how I do a covered call strategy on it. It's actually more like a covered spread. Or deep in the money spread using a synthetic strategy that I'm going to show you. So hang with me here. We're going to show you how I'm going to make quite a few percent every week on ZScaler. That's the stock we're doing, ZS. So let me show you what we're looking at on the screen. First of all, let's start over here. These are all really nice growth numbers, and you can see that the earnings per share growth rate according to investors.com is 74%, and the return on equity is 47%. Not debt, not any significant debt here. So we're looking at a fairly good growth pattern, right? The stock unfortunately isn't showing it. So sometimes the company does something different than what the stock does, but that's okay. Sometimes we have to look past that, and that's the way it goes. So you can see really nice quarter over quarter sales growth. Pretty nice, just a little bit of a couple hiccups here on earnings per share growth quarter over quarter. Let's look at the chart. So I'm just drawing a line down the top, the top peaks, right? And you can see we're banging into that as resistance. At the same time, we're building some cause to go higher. So this is going to squeeze one way or the other. It's either going to drop down like this or it's going to go up. Now, I believe since we're in a green market, we're going to go up. We got a nice relative strength rating of 84, which means it's performing better than 83% of the stocks in the database. I kind of like this setup. It's above the 50-day moving average. In this case, it's the 10-week moving average. It's above the 40-week moving average. Let's look at the daily. Okay, taking a look at the daily, you can see this stock has been, it's basically in a nice long consolidation for a long period of time. And what I always say is the longer the consolidation, when it's ready to break out, the bigger the breakout. So I don't know if the stock's going to break out or not. I'm hoping it is. Meantime, if it doesn't, I'm going to collect the juice. That's the income, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up some shares of this stock. But instead of picking up the stock, I'm going to actually buy what's called a synthetic, which is a deep in the money call that acts like the stock most of the time, but it's a lot cheaper. Looking at this, I have brought up the calls that go out a year, right? They expire March 20th of 2026. That's a year from now. So I go down here and I try to find around an 80 to 90 delta, and I got an 89 delta that looks pretty good right here on the 135s. So I look at the extrinsic value, that's $12 per share, okay? $12 per share. Divide that by 12 months, that's about $1 a month. So I've got to make enough money for $1 a month to be able to justify that by bringing in the juice. I'm going to show you how I do that in a second. So you can see that if I pick this up, it's right now trading 84.75 by 86.30. It's pretty widespread. I'll get a fill somewhere in there. And so I'm going to buy some of that, right? So let me go ahead and just buy it, and then I can focus on how we're going to get the income. This is my base position. Once I buy it, I kind of forget about it. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, and I'm going to buy it. And I'm going to bring up the order. It's going to say how many of these contracts do you want? And these contracts are trading for $8,000 a contract. So I'm going to buy 5 contracts. It should be about 45 grand or something like that. So we're going to do 5 contracts, confirm and send. It's about $42,000 total investment. And now I own 5 contracts of that. So it's like 500 shares essentially, okay? Now, I'm not buying the full position. I think the full position, I want it to be around 80 grand. So we're going to see how it goes. If I'm right, I'm going to buy. If I'm not right, I'm not going to buy. That's the way I'm trading it. Now, we want to figure out how to create income. So what we do is we go over here, and I know this is only for 4 days. So you know what I'll probably do is I'll probably do an 11-day trade. So this is this week. Most of Monday's already shot. So what I can get is extrinsic values of $284 a contract. Okay, so you remember I bought 5 contracts. That's just about $1,100 for 4 days. So that's pretty good. Okay, let's go. So let's kind of pick a line in the sand. I think the stock is going to go up, but I don't know. So I'm going to look at, these are 208s. I'm going to look at the 210s and be serious about it. $240 a contract for 4 days. Okay, so that's about $1,000 in income that I would make for 4 days. Or I could go out another week and pick up the 210s, $4.35. That's $435 per contract for 11 days. So let's see, I got five. That's about $2,000, and the covered return is 68%. Okay, it's a little bit less. It's actually a lot less, but I get a little bit more juice to protect me on the downside. This is a very critical spot where I'm getting into the stock. I want to be proven right, and I want to be able to have some cushion to the downside. So I'm going to go ahead and instead of selling those other ones for 4 days, I'm going to go at 11 days on these, okay? Now I'll show you what the math looks like in just a second. I've already kind of done it in my head. But now I want to go just slightly outside the money and do these at 420. I'm going to sell, sell singles, and I'm going to do 5 contracts. Okay? Simple. 5 contracts. I'm doing the April 4th, which is 2 weeks from now. And it's going to do a market order, confirm and send it. And now what I always want to do after I enter an order is I will always want to go back and make sure I didn't make any mistakes. Okay, so this is why I check, right? So instead of hitting the sell button, I hit the buy button. I was running it through this too fast, and I didn't read it back properly to myself, and I wanted to sell these, and instead I bought them. So what is the rule? Whenever you screw up a trade, and it happens, don't beat yourself up over it, but don't gamble on it. Just immediately go out there and close the trade. So create a closing order to sell those, do it at the market, take your lumps. Chances are you didn't make any money, but that's okay. So now what I want to do is I want to go out and I want to sell these calls. I want to sell them, selling 5 calls of the 210s, 2 weeks out, market order, and that should be better. Now let's go check the account again and make sure that it's right. See, I do this a lot, especially when I'm recording videos for you guys. Is it costs me a little bit of money. See what I do for you. See what I do. All right. So now let's look at it. I've got $437 per contract in juice, and remember that's what we're doing. And since it's slightly out of the money, we are picking up all juice, right? So that's 440 times 5. That's, I don't know, $2,200, something like that for the week or for the 11 days. You can see 11 days. I got 361 days on this contract. So imagine if I can pick up, $3 a week in extrinsic value in juice, because I got 11 days or I got 4 days. Somewhere in the middle is what I'd be getting as a goal for every week. Is $3 or $300 a contract times 5. I'm going to eventually have, 1,000 shares or 10 contracts. And so if we're doing $3 a week, that's $3,000 a week. It's $12,000 a month. That's kind of how I look at it. If I can get $12,000 a month for 12 months, we're talking about $144,000 a year. How much did I spend on the position? Well, I spent $42,000 on half the position. So when I get the full position, it's going to be $80,000, and I'm going to be making $144,000. That's how I set it out as the goal, right? I don't know if it's all going to happen. I have rules of when it goes down, and I have rules of when it goes up, and I've got a whole trading plan around this. But right now, I wanted to show you, look, this is how I analyze a stock from fundamentals, why I'm getting into it, the market's green, all of the probabilities are in my favor, and if I'm right, this will be great. And if I'm not right, at least I'll be able to collect the juice until I have a circuit breaker, which basically says, Mark, you got a line in the sand, you got to get out of the stock. And so if that happens, I'm going to be out at a certain price. So hopefully you understand kind of the basics of what we're doing. This is Covered Call 101, but I'm using synthetics, which adds a whole layer of complexity to it. But you can see I'm in it for only $42,000 instead of being in it for, $100,000. So I've got a cheaper entry. I'm still controlling the same number of shares. That gives me the ability to create the juice, which is really all I'm after. I'm not trying to predict that the stock is going to go to a gazillion, and I'm not Nostradamus. I'm just trying to use the probabilities to collect the juice. I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.
Hey, it's Mark Yagi here to tell you about our cash flow machine trading program that's designed to teach you how to make safe, reliable income. Now, we shoot for 2 to 4% a month of income and growth in your portfolio. And we have courses to teach you how to do this yourself or inside a mastermind community. And the best part of that is it only takes about 20 minutes a week to implement. Now, while 2 to 4% a month doesn't sound like much, I show you exactly how we took my IRA from $111,000 to over $500,000 in just 19 months without huge risk. I'm not telling you this to brag, just to show you that you can do this too. So to learn more about this program, go to cashflowmachine.io. That's cashflowmachine.io, and you can learn more.
Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.